Hi there, it's Mr. Schrader, and this is the StudyCast for January 12th, 2015. This is our daily rewind. Today was an incredibly busy day. We had a lot of things packed in today. I want to discuss several of them today. Work-wise, what we did is we did Lion, Witch, and the Wardrobe, Chapter 1 through 3 quiz, and that was on Schoology. We also read Chapter 4 today. And we had some whole group time, we had some small group time, and we had individual time. So whole group time, we talked about adjectives, and that's our grammar skill of the week. It's continuing from our adjectives last week. Specifically, we talked about comparative adjectives. Adjectives can be used to compare different things. For example, we used tall. Tall is a descriptive adjective. It tells you more about the noun. He is tall. And it can also be used to compare by adding the suffix er or est. So you are taller or you're tallest. We use the word taller when we're comparing two things. And we use ist, tallest, when you have more than two things that you're comparing. So we use the est for two, and est for more than two, and er for just two. So we had a demonstration where a student stood up, and I said, "Mr. Schrader is taller or tallest?" And they said taller. Now I had a whole group of kids, and we said, "Who is tallest in this group?" Because there were multiple people. In our small group time, we talked about cause and effect. We said that a cause makes the effect happen. And I tend to use the word because instead of cause. Because of this, this is the effect. Because of this, this is the result. So one of our examples was because she sat out in the sun for hours and fell asleep in the sun, what happened? Well, she got a sunburn. So we had some work to do on those that guided through it, and then we had some two independent ones on the bottom. Switching gears to science, we talked about resistors. So we added a new component. A resistor is a component that slows or weakens the flow of electricity. So we had 4 different resistors, and they're all different. But what it did is it allowed electricity to flow more slowly. So when we added it into a series circuit with a bulb, it made the bulb glow dimmer. And so what we did is start testing them. We ranked them based on the order. We also learned how to name a resistor. On the actual resistor, there will be little colored bands. In our case, there are 3 colors. And you work your way toward the gold band. So the gold band is the end of the resistor. You name the colors in order as they go toward that gold band. So our activity today was to test 4 different resistors and put them in order to weakest and most powerful, essentially saying which one is making the bulb shine the brightest and which one makes the bulb shine the dimmest. And we put them in order, and that'll get us ready for tomorrow to kind of continue work with that. Very busy day today. The students worked hard, and I feel like we did a lot. And seminar time this afternoon, we continued our reading logs. Reading logs today was an illustrator, so we read for 15 minutes, and then we illustrated what was going on in our story. That's about the day. Thanks for joining us. Bye.